Hello everyone. Today I'm teaching you how to log out of your Facebook account on PC, including all devices. So, open facebook.com and log in. Click your profile picture on the right, click Settings and Privacy, then Settings, click See More in Account Center. Now, click Password and Security on the left menu. Under where you're logged in, you'll see a list of all active devices. Click your account to see more to expand the full list. At the bottom of that section, click Select Devices to log out. Confirm by clicking Log Out. You've now logged out of your account on every device. To log out of this PC, click your profile picture again and click Log Out. Click Easy, your account is saved.